Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix battle.net error code BLZBNTAGT0000870. So in this video I will show you a couple of ways how we can go and fix that. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to your search bar and then just write check for updates here and press on that. And then press on check for updates button here, and you need to see if there is an update for you on your operating system that you need to download and install. And if you do so, please do so and then restart your computer. And then if to basically try the game, and if the problem persists, another way, I will show you another way how you can fix that. Another way, make sure that on Task Manager all the basically keyboard and mouse apps, FPS boosters is disabled, like Logitech or Razer, like as you can see here, Razer Chroma or other apps related to your mouse and keyboard, because sometimes it can conflict with the game and with the Battle.net itself, right? And also antivirus programs, also it can basically can cause the problem, so make sure to disable for a bit and try the game. And if the problem persists, then another way how you can go around that, you need to basically run Battle.net as administrator. So you just need to locate your shortcut here and then go to open the file, go to properties and go to compatibility, and then press change settings for all users, and then make sure to select this option, run this program as a administrator, and disable full screen optimizations as well, right? Press apply, OK, and try if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another way how you can fix that, you need to go to firewall and network protection here, and then you need to allow an app to firewall. And let's say my Overwatch 2 game is not basically is getting this error. So what I can do here, I need to just press change settings here, and then you need to locate your game. For me, it's Overwatch here. So as you can see here, there is Overwatch application and Overwatch launcher, and make sure these options here on private, on public is basically selected. And if you do not find your game on this little menu, what you can do here, you can add it manually, and you just need to press allow another app here, press browse, and then locate your game. For me, it's on program files x86, and then just basically add the launcher here and press add. But as you can see here, currently the game is on my list on exceptions, so I don't need to do so. But if you don't see the game on this list, you need to add it manually, right? And after you do so, press OK, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, sometimes maybe your game files is corrupted. So what you can do here on Battle.net, you just need to press update here, and then scan and repair. Wait for a few seconds until the game is updated, and then you need to see if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you just need to close completely Battle.net from your task manager as well. Make sure there is no Battle.net tasks left on your PC. As you can see here, these tasks, I need to end them. And after you do so, then you need to press Windows and A key, and then you need to just write percentage sign program data, percentage sign, press OK, and then you will see this window here. And here you just need to delete Battle.net and Blizzard Entertainment here. Don't worry, it's just the cache files. It won't affect the game. And after you do so, you just need to go to again on your Windows and A key, and then you just need to write here percentage sign temp percentage sign, press OK, and delete all the files here. And after you do so, you need to go to Battle.net. As you can see here, I'm running some programs here, so I cannot delete all the files here. But don't worry, if a few files left here, and after you do so, you need to go to Battle.net here, and you need to log in to your account here, and here on your game you should see install. So what you need to do here, you need to press locate the game here, and then locate your game on your files. So for me, I need to look for Overwatch, and then select the folder here, and then press update. And after that, after update, the game should work, right? And guys, if the problem persists, the last thing that you can do here, you can basically uninstall and reinstall the Battle.net. So what you can do here, you need to go to control panel here, go to, as you can see here, programs and features, and you just need to, as you can see here, uninstall Battle.net, and then you just need to go to BLZBNTAGT0000870 and install it again, and the problem should be fixed, right? So these are all the methods that I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.